guys, I'm going to show you how to make Tangsuyuk. I am making pork Tangsuyuk. Tangsuyuk is basically sweet and sour pork. It's extra crispy and it's so juicy on the inside, and it's a very popular Korean Chinese dish, Chinese-Korean dish. So not a lot of ingredients as you can see, but I'm gonna get a little busy because we got definitely some work to do. So first thing I have to do is I'm going to dice our carrots, so remove the end, and I'm gonna set aside my vegetables, and then our yellow onion, just thinly slice. Great. Set that aside, and we're gonna work on our apple right now. Apple, it's definitely something sweet. Yes, it's better than sugar. And then set that aside. You don't need a lot. And then vinegar, that's it. And then, oh, hold on a minute. Our cucumber, actually, cut the ends off, and I'm going to just cut this in half, like this way. To make a really crispy pork, crispy like texture to it, you use potato starch. That is like the main secret ingredient to make anything unbelievably crispy. So I've got a cup and a quarter cup. Water. So how much water? A couple cups of water. And then once that's done, stir it with your chopstick or what do you call it? Whisk, right? Set that aside. Whoa, nice. So our pork. If you love pork, and even if you don't like pork, this is a great recipe. So the next step is just cut it into like a long bite size. So you know what? I already did that. So I'm going to do this. We're really working this, you guys. Of course, we have to season our meat. Salt, pepper, grate our ginger. How much ginger? About a half teaspoon. Perfect. Now, what I'll do is I'm just going to go ahead and add in our pork into our mix. And we're gonna fry it, and we're gonna make the sauce. Call it good. Oh yeah, looks so good. And we're going to double fry this. Always lay it away from you when you're frying stuff. Okay, so this is it. Look at that. On one side, it's extra crispy. On the other side, it's still cooking. You hear the crunch. So, a little bit of oil. You're like, that's enough oil, Yuna. And I'm going to add in our carrots and our onion. And then after that, where's my pineapple? Oh, that's gotta go in at the end too. So our meat set aside, quarter cup sugar, that goes in, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Just going to pour on top of this. And then we have our 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Apple vinegar is fine. I just grabbed whatever vinegar that I happen to have in my pantry. Okay, so when we have that, just stir these together nicely. And then we got a teaspoon of sesame oil, that much. Stir nicely. And then some water, pineapple, of course. 2 rings, yes, cut into halves. Cut this, and then set that aside with the rest of it. My secret here is a little bit of pineapple juice. One more thing, tablespoon into our little small cup, and I'm going to just make a starchy mix, because in a 1/4 cup, you're gonna slowly add it in, constantly stirring it. Now, into this mix, rest of our ingredients go in. Cucumber, apple, and pineapple, all of it. So on this, just pour this over, and then we are finished, you guys. Okay, you guys, this is it. I'm so excited. We made Korean Chinese dish, Tangsuyuk. I'm just gonna call it sweet and sour pork because that is the most relatable name for that. And you saw it, pretty easy, not a lot of ingredients, but extremely delicious. That extra apple cider vinegar adds a tanginess to it. And it's sweet, of course, from the pineapple juice and the apple and what else? And pineapple, of course. It'll go really well with your pork. You can substitute the meat with tofu or beef too. And I hope you enjoy this. Every week, I'm uploading a new video, so hit that subscribe and bell button. And on Instagram, I'm at Yuna Cooks. Let's connect. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.